Hi guys, it's Richard at altFINS. Today I want to show you how to trade patterns using altFINS automated pattern recognition system. But let's start with just general market overview. In the last few days, really we've seen some very bullish action and big gains across the entire cryptocurrency market landscape. If you take a look at the screener and the performance, starting with the larger market caps here, in just the last week, we can see that Ethereum has gained 32%, Ripple is up 117%, Bitcoin Cash is up big. Let's see, I mean, really, it's across the landscape. Chainlink is up 24%, Cardano 57%. So clearly, a lot of the altcoins have been catching up with very strong gains from Bitcoin. I think all of this is actually being driven by PayPal announcement about a month ago that they will enable or have started enabling their large user base of 361 million users worldwide to buy 4 cryptocurrencies initially. They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. And as the PayPal users begin to buy up Bitcoin, it's a really big source of demand. Bitcoin prices has responded, and I think really we're at the beginning of a very strong 12 months worth of demand from just PayPal's user base alone, not to mention demand from institutions and corporations that are stashing their treasury cash into Bitcoin as well. And as Bitcoin has gained, the altcoins are now catching up as well. But let's get back to our topic, which is how to trade patterns. altFINS pattern recognition system automatically scans thousands of coins and tradable cryptocurrency pairs and tries to detect certain common chart patterns like head and shoulders, wedges, channels, triangles, and so on. And then with that, with some historical performance measurement, it also tries to anticipate the price movement going forward, as well as price targets. So let's take a look at some examples of what's available currently, or some of the signals that have been issued just recently. So we are on a daily time frame. You could go on a lower time frame as well, up to 15 minutes, but I prefer daily. And let's just limit those pairs that are trading against US dollar or US dollar proxy or some stable coin like Tether. It just helps me honestly help me sort of frame or wrap my mind around the pair if it trades against the dollar and not some other cryptocurrency. So here we are. Here are some fresh signals that were issued, some of these just 10 hours ago. And I'm gonna jump over to the one here where the signal was 2 days ago. Bitcoin Cash, the system indicated that the price had broken through a resistance level and was projected to go higher to about $400 level. Now again, this signal was issued 2 days ago, and this particular signal was basically a very simple breakout from a resistance level, through a resistance level. And I actually like, honestly, some of the simplest setups are the best setups, which is breakouts or approaches of resistance and support zones. Nothing fancy, triangles, head and shoulders, those are great as well, but those are more advanced patterns. But this is a very simple one and honestly has some of the highest winning rates of 70% plus. So if I take a look at this signal from 2 days ago, again, the signal was issued at around when the price was around 304, and it projected the price to go up above 340 all the way maybe to even 400. Let's see what happened since then. And I already know the answer, but what happened since then, here's the candle where 2 days ago the signal was issued, and then what we're seeing is that the price is actually now at 340. So it looks like it has actually reached that target already. But let's look at one that hasn't quite played out yet. One that comes out just from 10 hours ago is BAT, which is Basic Attention Token, trading against a US dollar proxy tether. Let's take a look at this signal here. Like I said, it was issued just 10 hours ago. It says here that it broke through the resistance level of 23-24 cents, and it is anticipating a bullish price movement in the next 46 days all the way to about 33 cents. So that would be about a 50% move over the next 46 days or sooner. Of course, it may not work out, but there's a 70% chance that it will, based on our historical performance. So let's take a look at what's happening right now in the last, let's see, this is the candle where the signal was issued, and the price currently is at 25. So the price hasn't done yet anything, which is great. It still gives us an opportunity to get involved. What I also then like to do is look at the lower time frame. So this is a one-day time frame. Now I'm going to go to the screener and look at some of the other indications for BAT. So I'll look up BAT, Basic Attention Token. Let's see, it is in the short-term uptrend, medium, sort of neutral, long-term it is a downtrend. And let's look at some of the momentum indicators, which is MACD is signaling buy, and RSI has crossed over the 50th center line, which is also a bullish momentum indication. Now I'm going to go from a daily to an hourly time frame to see what's happened in the last 10 hours since the signal was issued. So in the last 10 hours, what we've seen is after the breakout, which happened on the big volume, which is a very important confirmation of a breakout, the price went up and now it's pulled back. Very typical, some price consolidation after a breakout. So ideally, we'd buy it at that resistance level that it broke, which was about 24 cents, if you recall. So we're close to that. What I'll probably do is buy half of my position right here at 25 cents and change, and then put in a limit order buy at 24 cents as well. If it reaches that level, I'm willing to buy the other half of my position and write it up. So let's go ahead and go to the trade module of our system, and let's look where I can buy it. First, I'm going to check my balances to see where I have some available US dollar balances. The system, I have 6 exchanges that I have connected through APIs to this system, and here are the balances. I can click on the summary table. So where do I have some money? Let's see, I have some cash available, USDT on Kraken, Bittrex, Poloniex, but some okay balances, really larger balances on Bittrex and Poloniex, fine. And I also have some USD on Bitfinex, $2,500. Let's go ahead and see if we can trade BAT on Bitfinex. So I'll switch to exchange Bitfinex, BAT versus USD. There it is. The system now will show me what balances I have. I have, as I mentioned, $2,500 in cash on Bitfinex, and I own currently 0 Basic Attention Token. Let's look at the chart again. Like I said, ideally we'd buy it here at 24 cents where the breakout or the resistance was broken, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy some right here. If we look at the order book, we can see where it's trading right now live. So the bid-ask spread is very tight, which is great. It's around 25 cents and change. So I'm gonna put in a limit buy, best price currently, and let's see, I'm gonna take 10,000, oops, 10,000 would be 2,500, but I want to just buy half of the position, so I'll do 5,000 worth of dollars, worth of basic attention tokens. Let's go ahead and send the order, place it. Order was placed successful. Let's see if it went through. Transaction history, not yet. It's probably in my open orders. There it is. So it's sitting pretty in my open orders. Let's see if it gets there. I'll buy it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put in as well the other half of my position that I want to buy at 24 cents. Same quantity, 5,000 basic attention tokens. So let's go ahead and place that order as well. And that's also in my open orders. I also have another order that I have left there. I'm gonna in fact just cancel that. That was my prior trade for link chain. So we got a couple of orders here on Bitfinex, and hopefully I'll get to buy it on maybe a little pullback here in what is, it looks like a nice breakout. I hope that helps. Again, the platform has great signals on the patterns tab. I encourage you to check it out. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@altfins.com. Happy trading. Good luck. Thanks.